How to remove TikTok account warning. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. If for some reason your TikTok account is showing account warning, then it is really important to fix it as soon as possible because if this issue is left unattended, then you can lose your account too, meaning your account will be banned permanently. This message mostly occurs if you have violated any rules or terms of TikTok. So in order to fix this, firstly check your account and see if you have posted any videos that might violate the terms of TikTok. Remove the video if you think the video is violating. If you still get the warning signal, then open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for TikTok appeal feedback. Tap on the first link shown here. Now enter your email address and your username. Entering the username is optional. Now tap on the topic drop-down and select the account ban or suspension option. In Tell Us More drop-down, tap on Other. Now under How Can We Help You, type in your issue and make sure to be informative and descriptive while typing in your problem for quicker responses from TikTok. Include attachments like screenshots or screen recordings as a proof. Select both the checkboxes here and now tap on Submit. With this, your request has been submitted successfully. You will receive a notification from TikTok regarding your issue soon, and your issue will be fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.